Okay, class, in this video I would like to talk about chapter 3 assignment, question number 15. So this question is talking about reducing a project duration from 12 weeks to 9 weeks. So we are given one table showing the activities and the cost to crush each week and their relationships. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is to draw a diagram to show the paths. So what I did is to use this PowerPoint to show the diagrams. As we can see from the table, we have totally 5 activities: A, B, C, E, and F. Okay? Based on the information, we can draw a diagram to show the paths. Okay? So this is a diagram we should have. So based on the information from the table, A precedes B and C, A precedes B and C, and B precedes E, B precedes E, and so on and so forth. And I also marked the duration of each activity and the cost to reduce 1 week from each activity. Okay? So the first job we need to do after having this diagram is to identify the critical path. So the critical path is the path of activities that last the longest. Okay? So in this case, we have the duration for each activity. So let's do this calculation. So in this diagram, we have 2 paths. The first path is A, B, E, and F. The second path is from A to C and to F. So let's do the calculation. Okay, let's look at the first path. Okay, A, B, E, and F, 2, 2, 2, and 4. So the calculation is 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 4 weeks. Totally we have 10 weeks. Okay, this is the first path. Then let's look at the second path from A to C and to F. Okay, then we have 2 weeks, 6 weeks, and 4 weeks. So 2 plus 6 plus 4 is which equals 12. So this is the second path is our critical path. So in order to reduce the duration of the project to 9 weeks, we have to work on the critical path first. So in the critical path, we have 12 weeks, and we need to reduce this one to 9 weeks. Okay? We have to reduce 3 weeks from this path, but which activity should we crash? Okay? Of course, we need to crash the cheapest one. So which is the cheapest one? So according to the cost, of course, the C activity is the cheapest one. So we need to reduce 3 weeks from activity 3. Okay? So if we do that, the C activity will become 3 weeks. So reduce 3 weeks from 6 weeks, that gives us 3 weeks. And the cost is 3 times $200, which equals $600. Okay? So this is the first step we have to do. And after that, we get a new duration for the second path. Okay? Because the C activity has become 3 weeks from 6 weeks. So the new path is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which equals 9. Okay, so that's we got 9 weeks for this path. Okay, that satisfies the requirement. But wait, we are not done yet. If we look at the first path is 10 weeks. We have to reduce 1 week from the first path. Still, the problem is which activity should we crash? Of course, we need to choose the cheapest one, which is activity B. So we reduce 1 week from activity B. So if we do this crash, the cost is 1 week times 120, which is $120 for this modification. And after we have reduced 1 week from activity B, the new path takes 2 weeks plus 1 week plus 2 weeks and plus 4 weeks, which is 9 weeks. Okay, so 9 weeks for the first path, 9 weeks for the second path. Okay, that's what we need. And what is the total cost? So the first path costs us $120. The second path costs us $600. Totally, that's going to be $720. So that's the answer. Okay, we need to reduce B and C.